So I'm at the drill press now. I'm just gonna start with this size bit and do some of the little bit of the bigger pieces, and then I'll switch to a smaller bit for a couple of them are a bit finer, and this bit in here might be a bit too big. So yeah, I'm just gonna start drilling this real quick here. All right, I think I got all of the holes done now. Just a couple other things I'm going to point out real quick. You can see I just got a piece of plywood here. That's just so when it goes through, it's not obviously not going into the steel, but then also it has a bit less blowout than if I were to just go straight through the hole. It still has some, but I find it reduces it a bit. And then the reason I changed the blades, like I said, there's just some of these are a bit finer detail, and the one size up, the blade's a bit too big. And I know I could probably just do them all at that smaller size, but when I'm at the scroll saw putting the blade in, you have to feed it through the bottom through the hole, so A little bit bigger hole makes it a little bit easier. And then, just one final thing, and just gonna show the block set up here. So that's where I had my phone just a second ago. And you can see I just clamped it to my cabinet so that I can kind of get an angle on it and go from there.